how to have a fun last day of school. At any age, the last day of school is always memorable. While students are mostly overjoyed about the coming summer vacation, some students might become emotional. With the end of a school year comes big changes to a student's social world. Close friends might be leaving for the summer, permanently moving away or changing schools. To prepare for anything that might happen, here are a few ways to get the most of your last day of school. Before going into details, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Part 1: Planning for the last day of school. Prepare with your friends. Before the last day of school, gather your closest friends and plan some fun stuff. You all could do something crazy, or on the other hand, you could plan to do something that is more subtle. Here are some ideas for things to do on the last day to make it really stand out. Throw toilet paper around the school, break out in song during class, wear something that is unique to your friend group, create a collaborative painting during free time. Have a productive morning. A well-planned morning usually creates a fulfilling day. Make sure to do some or all of these things before the last day of school. Set an alarm the night before and wake up on time. Take a shower, eat a nutritious breakfast, dress in something nice, fun, or even flirty. Experiment with a new or crazy hairstyle on this day, if you like to do your hair. Pack a light bag. You may not need your normal textbooks, but be sure to bring these essentials: a notebook, your cell phone, a book you're reading, your yearbook, a pen for signatures from everyone. Part 2: Having fun at school. Have fun during the school day. It's the last day of classes and you might not see some of your classmates or teachers for a long time. Don't be afraid to let loose, have fun, and express yourself. Resolve any misunderstandings between friends or teachers. Be enthusiastic in all of your classes. Dance if you feel like dancing. Sing if you feel like singing. Bring small gifts for your favorite teachers. Small gifts are a good way to say "I will miss you" to a friend or to a favorite teacher. Some good gifts for your favorite teachers include handwritten cards, homemade jewelry, cute keychains, a candle, flowers. Give out gifts to your friends to cherish the time you all had together. Give out little candies or cute stuffed graduation animals in little bags. Maybe take a few snapshots with your camera of this day and send them to your friends later via internet. Try to get everyone to sign their names on your notepad or yearbook. You'll be glad you did. If you want to continue contact with them, ask for their house phone or cell phone numbers or an email address. Do something on your last day of school that you normally wouldn't do for any other day of school. For example, you could dress in a crazy and cute outfit, wear a cape, do your makeup differently, or do some funny, yet safe stunts. Part 3: Dealing with class. Plan a performance for the class. You and your friends could prepare a dance or a song to do for the class. Prepare something quick and try to schedule the performance during lunch. Teachers usually won't mind if you all sing a goodbye song. Don't be afraid. Research a popular song and learn any of the accompanying dance moves. Invent new ones if there isn't a dance for the song yet. Perform the dance for anyone who is interested. If you and your friends love a particular movie or TV show, memorize a scene from it and then perform for other friends who also like the movie or TV show. Stay focused on your schoolwork. It's important to stay focused if you have tests or additional assignments to complete on the last day of class. Despite all the fun you might be having, complete everything to the best of your ability. If you are easily distracted by your cell phone, turn it off or put somewhere far away from where it might distract you. Think about the summer break and how much free time you will have soon. This will make even the most boring of classes seem exciting all of a sudden. Remember not to complain. The more you do, the longer the school day will take. Part 4: Connecting with your friends and teachers. Exchange phone numbers with everyone. It's important to maintain contact with those friends who you really like. Throughout the school day, ask all of your friends for their numbers and then write them in your yearbook or notebook. Don't be embarrassed to ask your crush for their number. If they say no, don't worry about it. It's the last day of school. You won't have to see that person for another 3 months. If they say yes, then consider taking it a step further. Ask your crush if they would want to go on a date, or maybe even try to sneak in a first kiss. Anything is possible, just don't do anything reckless. Say goodbye to your teachers. Sure, they gave you all that homework, all those boring lessons, and maybe a detention or two, but your teachers worked hard and surely taught you something valuable during the year. Show them your gratitude with a simple farewell. If you're at a loss for words, here are some examples of nice things to say to a few of your teachers. I appreciate all of your hard work this year. Thank you. Have a great summer. Sorry if I talk too much sometimes. I learned a lot from you. Goodbye. Thanks so much, teacher. Say goodbye to all of your friends. Apologize to everyone, especially your enemies and teachers. You don't want to be guilty over a tiny squabble for the rest of your life, do you? Plus, it'll make people feel good. Be nice, you'll make other people happy. Don't complain, whine, be rude, or become upset. It might annoy other people. Give your friends some big final hugs and tell them why they are special to you. Don't be surprised if a few tears are shed. Bring some tissues if you are the crying type. Keep your spirits up if you are feeling sad about leaving your school and your friends. Life goes on, and plus, you might see them sooner than you think. Have a great summer vacation. When the final bell rings, grab your bag and make a mad dash out of the building. Enjoy your summer vacation, and don't forget to read a few books.